nose against the wall. When there's no way out and time is running out and you're heading for a fall, high in the sky suddenly comes the hero. You can rely on him. LarryBoy, the healing hero, pride of the skies, first to the rescue, should help be required. LarryBoy, the healing hero, brave is he, courage is his name. So look to the skies, should danger arise. Look to the skies, for LarryBoy will be there. He is a natural hero, he's guardian of the skies. And down through the years there are many tales of his courage in the skies. Out from the clouds suddenly comes that hero. We recognize that sound. LarryBoy, the superhero, pride of the skies, first to the rescue, should help be required. LarryBoy, the superhero, brave is he, courage is his name. So look to the skies, should danger arise. Reach for the sky, for LarryBoy will be LarryBoy, the superhero, pride of the skies, first to the rescue, should help be required. LarryBoy, the superhero, brave is he, courage is